Hi, since there's a viewing example, I'm going to work through that one. I think that way you can see the text and you can hear me talking through it. So first of all, this particular employee, Chris, can be paid one of two ways. He either has a flat salary of 400 plus 7% of sales, or a flat salary of 520 plus 5% of sales. And we want to know for which amount he's better off picking the first one. That is going to be basically the premise for why is plan A greater than, like, I make more money than plan B. So the example that they show, they use S to represent the monthly sales in dollars. When you're talking about 7%, remember that that's 7 out of 100 or 0.07 or 7 hundredths. So we would use 0.07 times S to represent 7% of however much he makes in sales. So for plan A, it would be 400 plus 0.07 times S. For plan B, it would be 520 plus 0.05 500ths of S. And we want to know when the plan A is greater than the plan B. So we're saying, when is the 400 plus 7% commission going to be more than 520 plus 5% commission? Because you can see here he's making 2% more in commissions. That's why we have the inequality. At that point, then we start solving the inequality, which means you're going to need to, combine like terms. So I'm going to subtract 0.05s from both sides. So then I've had 0.02s. I'm going to subtract 400 from both sides, and I have 120. At this point, I'm now going to have to divide by the 0.02 in order to solve for S. So I'll have S is greater than 120 divided by 0.02, which is 6,000. That means at the point that S passes $6,000 in sales, it makes better sense for him to choose plan A. If he's going to sell more than $6,000, then his commission with a 7% plus the $400 a month would be greater. Up until that point, he'll do better with plan B because there's a higher base salary. But once he hits a value past 6,000, plan A is better. And that's what we were looking for. Let me know if that helps.